They're all going out. They're all coming out of Edinburgh. I've been here for about 3/4 of an hour and everything's going out, nothing's coming in. I don't know that much about it, but that's what it seems to be. They're all going out. Broadband. Okay, charging point. Amazon locker. All these hungry people. Don't they know that it's not good to eat junk food, especially at night? Look, right, traffic approaching. That's for all the bloody foreigners. Oh, here's a C5. Oh, yes. Oh, look at the dent in it. Wow. What a shed. Oh, a C5. It's not too bad otherwise. Let's get leather seats. I actually quite like them. It's full. Oh, it's got a bearing seat and everything. So, you guys watching me, but I was admiring the car. I suppose I better get going before I get arrested. Got nice alloys on it. Ooh. I mean, it's got that dent on it. It's the only thing about it. It does look pretty good, like. Oh. Yeah. Does look good. There's the moon and the Volkswagen and the C5. Quite like it actually. 52 plate's quite old. Yeah. Yeah, I do like that. I do actually. I would have that. It's probably I don't know if that's the people coming up. Oh. Oh. Probably not. So that dent on the other side is kind of potentially, well, obviously I would write that off, wouldn't it? That thing. It's pretty the way it's parked. I'd like to have got a better look at it. I would. One way. It's fucking one way. I'm gonna run over somebody here. I don't want to do that. I like that Citroën C5. I never actually had a proper look at it to see if it was a diesel or a V6 petrol. Well, you did get a 2 litre petrol. 2 litre petrol, you get a V6 3 litre, 2 litre HDI or 2.2, you had a 1.8 petrol, and latterly they had 1.6 HDI, which didn't suit the Picasso very well. C4 Picasso, and probably the best option was the 2 litre HDI. I mean, the thing about the C5 is the comfort, you know, like that comfy big leather seats, that car, you know. I mean, obviously when I was younger I would never contemplate a car like that, you know, because it's just like, wouldn't be sporty enough. There's nothing sporty at all about it. But it's got hydroactive suspension, that one. Yeah, I would have one of them, yeah. If I could find another one, I would do it. Yeah. So, hope you enjoyed that video, that quick video. Well, thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe, and remember. So I found out the speed cameras down there are looking a bit fake. Yes. Thanks for watching. Which lane are we going in? Has it been retarred? Oh, that's a fucking hard shoulder, you dummy. It's because it's been tarred. Thanks for watching.